So I'm just doing a bit of an update of what it looks like about a couple of years. So I've had this boat and trailer since 21, so it's 26 now, 5 years. This is what the Lanotec Heavy Duty looks like, with heaps of coats. So it has attracted dust, it has cracked off here. It needs to be reapplied, but that's where it's out in the sun the most. This is the retic holding up alright. It's been on there probably 4 years, maybe less, maybe 3. There's no rust underneath here, it all looks brand new. People say, oh yeah, it's going to rust, whatever. But yeah, proof's in the pudding, boys. And just go to show you, fuel pisses out this breather here when I fill it. And yeah, this is where it's been stripped back a bit, and the galv's still like brand new. It's bug all rust on it, so yeah, day in the life of a saltwater trailer. Still much the same. You could strip all it off and it would look brand new, I reckon. But yeah, cheers. So I just got the Lanotec HD and brake cleaner bottle, and I just spray it on everything. Keeps everything working well. So yeah, just go over the whole trailer like this. It won't do the film the bit getting under it, because that's the prick of the job, but just somewhere out in the open like this is easy enough. And it just keeps everything looking spiffy, you know, for a trailer that's as old as this one. You know, it might not be the prettiest thing on earth, but it does the job. So yeah, just hit everything with it. So far I haven't come unstuck with anything else cooking from it. It's just been wiring, certain type of wiring only on a Minn Kota that's suffered from this stuff. So, and I think there's new products out there that the company makes that are better for wiring and stuff, but I think that's just Minn Kota. Use some shitty wiring. Doesn't look the prettiest, but don't care about that. Just want it to last, and I have to keep buying shit, you know. That's the idea behind this. If you work for money, you may as well hang on to some of it and use it for things you want it for, not to keep buying shit all the time. So yeah, just to keep your stuff in good nick, or just cover up shit that you don't want getting old, like your wiring, and you know, when it does rain, washing all the shit off it. So just cut up these old drums. It just protects your shit. So put that over that. It keeps all your plastics good. And then once I get another drum, I'll probably cut something over here, or just put a rag around that. And yeah, it just keeps your your sensitive stuff cleaned up, you know. Yeah, so I just do the anchor here as well. I don't use it too much. Saves me buying a new one from rusting out. Just spray it down with this Lanotec Heavy Duty stuff. Doesn't look the prettiest, but I think we don't really care about that. Install the chain. Do this like once a year. Saves everything rusting the anchor well and keeps everything working well. That's basically it. Alrighty.